Well, low code is the buzzword today, and it is so for many valid reasons. So, according to me, three main reasons why enterprises must embrace low code platforms are: firstly, it enables teams to develop collaboratively by involving non technical citizen developers. This also helps in keeping IT teams lean and focus more on innovative and complex tasks. Secondly, low code empowers rapid development that meets the business's ever changing requirements, enables continuous innovation, cuts time, and ensures shorter development cycles. It also makes sure that businesses need not send every new development request to IT. And thirdly, developers keep abreast of new technologies that become available as they are added to the low-code platform, and they are easy to understand using visual models and tools, which would otherwise require extensive training. So basically, low-code development can help bridge the skill gap. These would be the three key reasons that I would like to highlight. Low-code platforms will definitely help overcome this demand and supply mismatch, simply because they enable a much faster time to market. The platform will offer model-driven development, visual tools, integration wizards, rich UI, and functional libraries, and much more that makes development really fast. Moreover, it will allow the citizen developer to take the lead in majority of this development, with the core IT focusing on the more complex problems. The low-code platforms also allow teams to have much faster development cycles or iterations, right from building the MVP till the later development, all with quick demos and feedbacks from the customer, keeping everything on track. Well, this depends on who is working on the app or reviewing the app. For an end user, it doesn't matter which platform was used to build the app. What matters are things like good UX, application performance, and whether user is able to accomplish the task on the website. I do not see any reason why low-code platforms cannot be as appealing as the traditionally developed apps. Consider Pega UI for instance. A really cool template-based responsive UI can be built using out-of-the-box components. And if you prefer to use frameworks such as React and Angular, you can leverage open APIs to dynamically use Pega design capabilities. Likewise, if you are an enterprise architect reviewing your latest application built on a low-code platform, what may appeal to you is the scalability, design, and security aspects of the application, and also whether it is built on a platform that is ready to support the latest technology trends. I mean, it would definitely appeal to the enterprise architect if I tell her that client-managed instances of Pega Infinity are designed for Kubernetes out of the box. So clients who deploy Pega Infinity in public, private, or hybrid clouds can leverage a fully containerized version of the platform. Finally, for the business director or somebody from the business team, it would definitely appeal to see that the application being developed is 6 times faster than conventional development, and business stakeholders being kept at the center of everything, right from DCO sessions to customer demos to becoming citizen developers themselves. I do not see any reason why the application and the development process will not appeal to them. Well, I don't think it is the case anymore. Sophisticated low-code platforms such as Pega provide pretty much all the necessary components to ensure customization is not required. Out-of-the-box features are available for various integrations following industry-specific protocols. There is support for latest security guidelines, UI controls, integration with document repositories, social media, latest customer channels, and just in case you still need to build something customized, there is always support to go ahead and do it. Coming back to the example of UI development in the latest Pega version that is planned to be released soon, you can use the React.js based Pega UI framework that makes use of the out-of-the-box DX API, or your front-end team can build an altogether custom UI that integrates with your Pega application using the API. So basically, you don't need to worry about the customizations. Choosing your Pega implementation partner can be a challenging task unless you are very clear in your mind about your expectations from the partner. I can recommend some basic factors that you must consider while finalizing your vendor. First, don't hurry. Some things do take time, and that's how it is. The vendor may be a big service provider, a medium-sized company, or a small player. All are okay considering you are getting the work done as per your expectations. Second, keep in mind a few aspects that you can validate. What sort of engagement model does the vendor provide, and is it flexible enough for you? It would cover things like what sort of onshore offshore team structure does the vendor maintain, and do you get any time overlap between the teams? Third, communication. Talk in detail about all your requirements and don't expect them to understand them on their own. Ensure that the partner is asking the right questions. Remember that in case of any doubts, you can ask them to do a POC. Also, do remember to discuss and finalize the KPIs that they would measure and make sure they are as per your expectations. Fourth, get a market feedback and verify the background and credentials if you are in any doubt. Check out their company details, certification stack on pega.com. Just hear from people what they say about the culture of the company. The Pega implementation partner should be able to support you by contributing to your success by working as a software partner and not just as your Pega service provider.